Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're gonna be looking at iOS 15 features, or we're gonna start with iOS 15 features that were introduced that are specific to text views. Okay, so we're gonna start with Markdown support. So Markdown is a very famous formatting style, a document style that's been adopted and made famous by GitHub. So I'm pretty sure you all have used it. It's like pretty much everywhere now. Yeah, so it actually provides a simple way of formatting text, and now SwiftUI, starting iOS 15, has started supporting it natively within the text view. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can actually create a text with Markdown support. Style the text with Markdown support. Okay, so we're going to start with a simple text view that has a size defined. So I've defined the size of 42 so we can see the changes clearly. All right, we're going to start with making our text bold. So if you add 2* at the beginning and at the end, okay, that makes your text bold. Now, similar effect can be achieved using 2 underscores. So you can make your text bold with 2 underscores. Now, if you have only 1 underscore, you can make your text italic, or you can use 1* to style your text as italic. All right. Now, if you want to make it italic and bold, you can use 3* to basically make it italic and bold. Same goes for 3 underscores. Like that. Okay, so this text is now bold and italic. Now, Markdown also supports URLs. So you can have for example, dev techie like that, and inside the bracket you can have http ps://www.devtechie.com, like that, and this becomes a hyperlink. Okay, so if you go, there we go, you can actually reach devtechie.com like so. Okay, so it becomes your hyperlink, and just like that you can actually embed hyperlinks inside your text views. Okay, now there's also support for code. So if you have a code that you want to display, so let's say you want to display the code, you can simply say code SwiftUI code, like that. So the code support is also there. Code formatting support is also there, basically for displaying the code snippets and stuff like that within the text. So far iOS 15 has added support for these markdown styles. I'm pretty sure with the newer versions they're gonna start adding more supports, like for images and stuff like that. But yeah, what we have with the Markdown support, it actually makes it even easier to create some of the complex styles. So for example, if you have a text, you want to combine, for example, dev techie, I'm going to put a star around it, and going to say, sorry, double star to make it bold. And italic, like that. Okay, so now you can see, like, for this same text to write using simple text or in UI kit, it would take so many concatenations or attributed string and stuff like that. But with the Markdown support, it has become much more easier. So DevTechie creates video tutorials, visit us at, and as you can see, like, DevTechie is in bold, creates video tutorials is in italic, visit us at is just a regular text, and then devtechie.com is basically your URL. Okay, so all that can go inside this, and like, I can see now people actually putting those privacy and terms of condition text, like, without having much of complexity, because now you don't have to create your own custom views, or like, to define size and stuff like that, or like, include attributed strings to achieve the same result. So that's where, like, one of the main benefit of Markdown support comes in. All right, so this is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in next video. Thank you.